Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint syrup. Mint syrup is a delightful, sweet liquid infused with fresh mint leaves, offering a vibrant and cool flavor. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for enhancing both drinks and food. You can easily prepare it at home with just 3 simple ingredients, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It truly elevates everyday recipes into something special. Making your own mint syrup is surprisingly simple. First, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan, bringing it to a simmer until the sugar fully dissolves. Next, add 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, remove from heat, and let it steep for about 30 minutes. Finally, strain the syrup and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks of fresh flavor. Mint syrup isn't just for drinks. It's a fantastic culinary ingredient too. Drizzle it over desserts like fruit salads, ice cream, or even chocolate cake for a refreshing twist. You can also use it in savory applications, such as a glaze for roasted lamb or chicken, or to sweeten salad dressings. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons can add a bright, unexpected flavor to many dishes. Now let's talk about beverages. Mint syrup is perfect for creating incredibly refreshing drinks. Stir about 2 tablespoons into iced tea, lemonade, or sparkling water for an instant cool down. It's also essential for classic cocktails like mojitos and mint juleps. For a unique twist, try adding a splash to your hot chocolate or coffee. Experiment with 1 to 2 ounces per drink to find your perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.